Triloka, three realities. There are three lokas. One is Shiva's loka, a celestial reality where the dominant force is gravity. The greater the mass, the higher the energy, and thus the stronger the gravitational pull. This is the loka of Shiva and Shakti, where space is the host and celestials are its inhabitants. Next is Vishnu's loka, a planet abundant with resources, providing life the opportunity to thrive. The more resources, the more dominant life becomes. The Devi of resources is Lakshmi, making this Vishnu and Lakshmi's loka. Here, Vishnu takes 10 avatars as Purusha to protect Bhumi, who represents Lakshmi. Now comes the realm of Brahma, where the host is the living body, and beings are its cells. In this realm, the system with the most sophisticated neural synapses, capable of learning and adaptation, becomes the dominant being. It is here that Brahma and Saraswati nurture and make the human conscience thrive. In the human body, the realm of Brahma is represented by the brain, which embodies Brahma, the creator. The brain floats in cerebrospinal fluid, just as Brahma is depicted as sitting on the Brahma Kamala, floating gracefully. The heart is where Vishnu resides, the preserver who nourishes all the cells in the body. It is tilted slightly to the right, resembling the sleeping Mahavishnu, from whom the main aorta emerges to nourish the brain, giving rise to conscience, symbolized by Brahma. The gut microbiome represents the nature or culture within our body, which is Prakriti. It is where Shiva resides. He can exist in any cell, any bacteria, anywhere. Shiva maintains the homeostasis in our body, embodying the role of the destroyer, ensuring balance and renewal. The connection between our host, the earth, and Vishnu, the preserver, is profound. Vishnu is often depicted as sleeping in an ocean, symbolizing balance and preservation. Interestingly, if you observe the landmass of Earth, it resembles a baby in a sleeping pose. You can verify this by referring to any maps application. The brain is represented by Australia. The heart is symbolized by India. Europe and the Middle East represent the gut. Africa is the stomach. China and Russia symbolize the lungs. Japan represents the third eye. North and South Korea are the eyes. North and South America represent the glutes. Germany is the liver. In the human body, conscience in the brain represents Brahma. The heart represents Vishnu, and the gut microbiome represents Shiva. These Trimurtis further manifest as the Saptarishis, who receive their powers from the Trimurtis to maintain the balance of life and conscience across all realities. Shiva becomes Rishi Gautama, symbolizing the liver. The name Gautama comes from Gau, life, and Tamas, death. Gau, cow, represents life, as it nourishes and sustains. Tamas symbolizes toxicity, that which takes life. The liver's function aligns with this symbolism. It removes tamas, toxicity, and sustains life. When the liver fails to remove toxins, we become deceased. Vishnu becomes Rishi Bharadwaja, symbolizing the lungs. The name Bharadwaj is derived from bar, meaning to hold or carry, and dwaj, meaning the release of breath. The lungs resemble a flag, and as long as you are breathing, the flag of your life keeps flying. When the breath stops, so does the flag, marking the release of life. Rishi Bharadwaja serves Vishnu, who is the heart. Brahma manifests as 5 rishis: Vishwamitra, the forebrain; Jamadagni, the right, emotional side of the brain; Vashista, the hindbrain; Kashyapa, the left, analytical side of the brain; Atri, the pineal gland. Vishwamitra represents the frontal lobe of the forebrain. Vishwa means world, and Mitra means friend. This part of the brain is responsible for planning our interactions with the world and shaping the personality we intend to portray. Jamadagni, Jama means beloved, and Agni means fire. When we lose something beloved, we also lose the fire that gives life, and we burn in grief as the pain engulfs us. These are our emotions, which are predominantly processed by the right side of the brain. Vashista. Vasha means capture, and Ishta means dear to us. Additionally, Shista means discipline, so Vashista refers to one with the best discipline. This corresponds to the part of the brain that captures what we see and stores deep memories, the hindbrain. It also governs movement in our body, reflecting its role in maintaining discipline. Kashyapa, the analytical or left part of the brain. Kashta means struggle or pain, and Shapa means curse. This part of the brain processes pain and curses that we hear. It also analyzes memories, enabling us to avoid similar pain in the future, thereby reflecting its analytical nature. Atri, the pineal gland, derives its name from a trinetra, meaning the third eye. The pineal gland plays a crucial role in maintaining the circadian rhythm, providing deep insights, and ensuring a homeostatic environment in the brain, enabling us to function efficiently. All these rishis work in harmony with one another to maintain this realm of Brahma, this loka of human consciousness, ensuring it remains stable, healthy, and happy.